Let me give you a simple example. Imagine that you will be having a baby in few weeks. While turning around in your home, what will you see? You are missing the crib, blankets, diapers, and everything else that's needed for the new addition to your family. Now, the real question is, won't you need everything right away? Of course. So you have an immediate need and you must take care of it. Another example. Imagine you are selling insurance and you learn that couple down the road they are actually pregnant with their first child. Is that a compelling reason for you to reach out and try to book the appointment and show them the benefits of insuring the family? Of course it is. What I'm talking about here is these are all trigger events. Events that might trigger the sales opportunity for you. This means that something is happening to your clients. A move, a merger, new investors, new regulation, bad third quarter. It could be all of the above. A trigger event is something that creates a need for your business, which results that you now, as a prepared salesperson, have a compelling reason for to start the conversation. Is it via phone or email? It's not so important, but it's a unique and personal conversation. It's a meaningful conversation with your prospects. It is not important that you know how to build rapport in 7 or 10 seconds, or how to pass the gatekeeper each time with a different lie, even when you know your prospects are not good fit for your offerings, or you don't have the product for that particular customer at all. You need more than that. You need to have a good reason to reach out that it's not focused on you but on your clients. And here is where trigger events can save you.